Today, we are talking about families and financial planning. Hello, I'm Caleb Paddock, the founder of 10 Talents Financial Planning. Thank you for tuning in today. Today, like I said, we're talking about families and financial planning. So if you just have one child, this message is for you. I cannot stress enough that if you have children and you are earning money, either one spouse or both, you need to get financial advice. And I'm not saying from me alone, this could be any fee only fiduciary financial advisor, because let me tell you about a little tidbit that I know about you. If you earn $400,000 or less, which I will guess is 99% of the people watching this, then you receive a $2,000 child tax credit per child under the age of 17. So 16 or under, you receive $2,000 of child tax credit. So what this means is if you would owe $10,000 of federal income tax on just your income, you only owe $8,000 because you got a $2,000 child tax credit. By the way, I said under 400,000. If you have children and you're making over $400,000, you need to call me too, because there are other things that we need to talk about. Even though you don't get these child tax credits, we have other fish to fry, so to speak. So I'm happy to speak with you as well. But I'll use myself as an example. My wife and I have 3 children under the age of 17. Do the math. That's $6,000 of tax credit. Let me bring this all together because I know your attention span is short. If you had that $10,000 tax liability on just the course of income throughout the year, then with 3 children, 10,000 minus 6,000, you only owe $4,000. That's like a 60% discount on your taxes. And here's where it gets interesting. I don't make guarantees in the business that I'm in. I'm actually prohibited from using words like guarantee. But what I will say is your tax rates or your taxes, the actual tax you pay, will go up over time, because guess what? Your children are going to grow up. And if everything stays the same, your income stays the same, tax rates don't change, everything stays the same, you are going to lose those tax credits because your beautiful children are going to grow up. They're going to leave the home. They will turn 17, 18, 19 years old, and you won't get these credits. So guess what? You need to take advantage of these credits. You need to understand, what should we be doing? How do we take advantage? Our kids are subsidizing our tax bill massively, as much as they cost so much money to do their activities, their clothes, all of the stuff they break in the house. You get $2,000 a pop. So take advantage of it. Get guidance, get advice, because they're going to grow up and you'll realize this in 20 years and you'll say, man, I wish I would have known the benefits so I could have taken advantage while our kids were younger and we got these child tax credits. So that's the message today, families and financial planning. The more you know, the more you realize that advice can really make a difference in your family and in your finances. So thanks for watching today, and God bless.